Ready for a big day of digging, Digsy?
I was born ready, Leo. Watch this scoop.
Steady as she goes. Keep the angle low.
Got a full load.
Nice and smooth rotation.
Targeted drop in 3, 2, 1.
Perfect placement, Digsy.
I love the smell of fresh sand in the afternoon. Who says work can't be fun?
You're a natural, buddy.
We made a great start today.
Can't wait to see what we build tomorrow. New task, Digsy. We need to clear this center section.
One giant scoop coming up.
Perfect timing. Clear path ahead.
Empty and ready for more.
Thanks for the shade. It is getting warm out here.
Cleaning up the edges now. How is that for precision?
You are showing off, Digsy.
Looking flat and professional.
I could not have parked it better myself. Take 5, Leo. I will keep an eye on the perimeter. Break is over, Digsy. Let's tackle that foundation trench next.
Clearing the way.
Nice and deep, just like that.
Locking onto target.
Making it look easy, Leo.
Found a stubborn one. Leverage is everything. Back to the rhythm.
We are ahead of schedule. Construction is just art with bigger toys. Digsy, we need a clean edge on this side.
One clean edge coming right up.
Spot on. You've got a great eye for detail. Heavy lifting is my specialty. Steady and drop. Can't have a messy site, can we? You're doing great work today, Digsy.
One more for the road.
Mission accomplished on this sector.
Look at that view, Digsy.
It's beautiful. I can't wait to see what we build there next. One more area to clear before sunset, Digsy.
Coming right up.
Perfect height. Keep it steady.
Bullseye. Move it.
You've got a soft touch for such a big guy.
Clean sight, happy crew.
Take it easy, hotshot.
Everything looks better in this light.
That's a wrap for today, partner. We made some real progress today, Leo. The best team on the coast. Time to get moving again, Digsy.
Systems online and ready to dig. Look at that perfect scoop.
Take it right over to the pallet, nice and easy.
Unloading now.
Good height, just give it a little pat.
Safety first. Gotta watch those hoses.
Just a little off the top right here.
Spinning into the next task.
Check this out, Digsy. This is our next foundation. We're building something big, aren't we, Leo?
One scoop at a time, buddy.
Let's move this pile to the western corner.
Heaving up the gold.
Hold it right there. Perfect alignment.
One pile delivered.
Check out this 360 spin. Precision is my middle name. Thanks for the lift, Digsy.
Everything looks like gold at this hour.
We made good time today, partner.
I wonder what we'll build over there tomorrow.
Whatever it is, we'll build it together. One more section to clear before we lose the light.
Loading up another batch.
Keep it steady, just a few more feet.
Unloading completed. perfect alignment, wouldn't you say? No debris left behind.
We've cleared double the area today.
That's the last of it!
Let's head back to the garage, buddy. Tomorrow will be another great day to build.
The best is yet to come, Digsy.
Good morning, Digsy. Ready for a massive sand shift today?
Born ready, Leo!
Right there. Keep it centered.
Drop completed with 0 spills.
Perfect level, Digsy.
Safety protocol engaged. Watching the lines.
Handy as always, partner.
Work is just play with bigger toys.
We're ahead of schedule today. Together, we can build anything, Leo.
Let's clear this last corner before the sun dips lower. Big load incoming.
Hold it right there, Digsy.
Clear and empty.
You've got some fancy footwork for a robot.
Safety protocol is my specialty.
We're making history here, one scoop at a time.
Efficiency at 100%.
Good eye, Digsy. Wouldn't want that tripping anyone.
What do you think they'll name this building, Leo?
Maybe they'll name it after the best excavator in town. Big goals today, Digsy. We need to clear this whole center area.
Consider it cleared, Leo. First scoop of the day is the best.
Perfect. Drop it right in that slot.
Target filled.
Nice work. That's as level as it gets.
Found a stubborn one.
Nothing can stop us today. I believe you, Digsy. Efficiency levels, maximum. We cleared the center ahead of schedule.
Do you think they'll like what we built, Leo?
I think they'll love it, partner. Digsy, we need to prep this foundation bed.
One giant scoop coming right up.
Easy does it, right there.
Target area filled. Huh?
Looking solid, partner.
Just fixing the little things.
Thanks for the assist, Digsy.
We are crushing this today!
Almost finished for the day.
We made a great team today, Leo.
The best in the business, buddy. New day, new foundation, Digsy.
Systems are at 100%, Leo.
Let's get this moving. Right on the mark. Hold it there. And drop. How's that for precision work? Keeping the site clean is priority number 1. We need to be careful with the plumbing lines here.
Efficiency mode engaged.
Just a few more loads and this foundation is set.
I love what we're building, Leo.
And we're doing a great job, Digsy.
Let's tackle this mountain of sand next, Digsy.
Watch me move it in record time. Heave and ho! Right on the money. Keep that arm level.
And that makes 10 scoops.
You're getting faster and more precise every day.
Order on the site is a beautiful thing.
Just checking the level from up here.
Efficiency levels.
100%! See that plot? That's our target for tomorrow.
We're building something great together, Leo.
The best team on the coast, buddy. Let's get a head start on the Eastern Foundation today, Digsy.
One giant mountain of sand coming right up.
Perfect alignment. Drop it there.
Target sector filled.
How's that for a smooth finish? Safety first on my watch. You're the handiest partner I've ever had, Digsy.
Efficiency levels maximum.
See this section? This is where the main support goes. We're building more than just houses, aren't we, Leo?
We're building a future, buddy. New sector, Digsy. Let's get this foundation bed perfectly level. Heaving up the good stuff. Hold it right there. Perfect placement. One pile, delivered and cleared. Check out this 360-degree precision. Found a stubborn one hiding in here. Safety first. Keep those tracks clear of the lines. Efficiency levels are at peak performance.
See this section? That's our target for tomorrow.
Another great shift in the books, Leo.
Best team on the site, buddy.
Big goals today, Digsy. We need to clear this center area.
Consider it cleared, Leo.
First scoop of the day is the best. Perfect. Drop it right in that slot. Target filled.
Nice work. That's as level as it gets.
Found a stubborn one. Nothing can stop us today.
I believe you, Digsy.
Efficiency levels. Maximum. We cleared the center ahead of schedule.
Do you think they'll like what we built, Leo?
I think they'll love it, partner.
One final push for the day, Digsy.
I've still got plenty of juice in the tanks. That's a heavy one. Right on the mark. Don't move a millimeter. And drop. You're a regular artist with that bucket. Keeping the site tidy is half the battle.
We've done some good work today, partner.
Efficiency levels, maximum! That's the final load for today.
Do you think we'll finish the whole foundation tomorrow, Leo?
With you digging? No doubt about it. Big goals today, Digsy. Let's clear this whole central mound. Heaving up the good stuff. Right on the mark, hold it steady. And drop. You're a regular artist with that bucket, Digsy. Clearing the path for progress. We've done some good work today, partner. Efficiency levels, maximum.
That's the final load for today. Do you think they'll like the city we are building, Leo?
I think they'll love it as much as we do, Digsy. Big day today, Digsy. We need to clear this whole center section.
Consider it cleared, Leo.
First scoop of the shift is always the best. Perfect. Drop it right in that slot. Target filled.
Nice work. That is as level as it gets.
Found a stubborn one. Nothing can stop us today. I believe you, Digsy. Efficiency levels, maximum.
We cleared the center sector ahead of schedule. Do you think they will like what we built, Leo?
I think they will love it, partner.
One final push for the day, Digsy.
I've still got plenty of juice in the tanks.
Watch this mountain of sand vanish.
Right on the mark. Don't move a millimeter.
And... drop. You're a regular artist with that bucket, Digsy. Huh. Site safety is priority number one.
Thanks for the break, partner. It's been a long day.
Efficiency levels are at peak performance. That's the final load for today, Digsy.
Tomorrow, we build something even bigger.
With you digging? No doubt about it. Big goals today, Digsy. We need to clear this whole center area. One giant scoop coming right up. Perfect. Drop it right in that slot. Target filled! Nice work. That's as level as it gets. Found a stubborn one. Nothing can stop us today. Efficiency levels, maximum. We cleared the center ahead of schedule.
Do you think they'll like what we built, Leo?
I think they'll love it, partner. Just a few stray piles left, Digsy. Coming right up. Right there, keep it level. Woo. And drop. You are a regular artist with that bucket. Site safety is priority number one.
Thanks for the break, partner. It has been a long day.
Efficiency levels are at peak performance. That is the final load for today, Digsy.
Tomorrow we build something even bigger.
With you digging?
No doubt about it.